ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೆಂಗೇರಿಯ BGS ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡ್ವಿಸ್ 3D ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಹಾಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮಠದ ಪೀಠಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ BGS ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ 3D ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು.
ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅದಾಗೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತಹದೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಮೆಡ್ವೆ 3D ಮೆಥಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ BGS ಜಿಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಥಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದೇಶದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಜನಗಳ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತು
ಕಾಲೇಜ್. I must say that Medvis LMS is one of the most fruitful LMS applications for learners. I am using their professional tools for delivering my part of the subject, and my experience is undoubtedly great. Especially the 3D videos are very useful for understanding. The students can rotate the videos and also zoom in on every single part, which is labeled and highlighted for better understanding. These biochemistry videos are very useful for understanding.
Hi, I'm Mansi from ESIC Medical College. I really would like to thank Medvis for giving us this wonderful opportunity, as today I feel it's the need for medical graduates where we can store our precious class lectures and refer it whenever we need. And the best part is we have 24/7 connectivity with our professors, which I think is really great. So anytime that we feel puzzled, we get connected with them. So though we're at home, we still have an opportunity to be connected and learn. Thank you.
For almost 4 months now, we have been using Medvis to take online classes for our community college dental students. It's been a wonderful experience. Earlier we had some hiccups and all that has been resolved. Most of the faculty members are using it, and we do see a nice response from them.
We thought this pandemic has been really hard on us. We thought we were going to lose a lot of classes. We didn't know what to do. That is when we were introduced to Medvis. Medvis is a really nice platform where everything was available to us at a single place, like from live classes to lecture videos to even submitting our assignments. The best part about Medvis was it was really student friendly and really smooth to use. The live classes were like we're sitting in our own class and listening to our lecturers, and we could ask our doubts too. The lecture videos were available for us for 24 hours, and we could go back and look into it if we had doubt.
Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Gajanan Kulkarni, Professor and HOD Department of Pharmacology, Bidar Institute of Medical Sciences, Bidar. In this COVID situation, because offline classes were not possible, RGHS has made this facility for online classes by this Medvis application. It has helped us a lot to take online classes. This Medvis application is a very good application for conducting online classes. We can share the PPTs, PDFs, and at the time we can take an interactive lecture. So this Medvis has helped a lot to take online classes and cover the syllabus during these difficult days of COVID pandemic. I thank you for RGHS for arranging this Medvis app, and thank you for this Medvis peoples who are very kind for registration process and delivering the emails, email IDs, user IDs and password. And technically also this Medvis app is very sound. We can take the classes, we can create class, conduct class, and afterwards take the attendance easily. So thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Wasim Ansari, Faculty of Community Medicine from ESIC Medical College, Kalburgi. As we all know, the COVID epoch was an unprecedented event. We never knew how this epidemic will turn into pandemic, and we had to shift all our academia from on-site to online. As any other institute, we also tried all different online platforms, and it was not uniform at which how we created the online classes at beginning. But once when Medvis arrived and we were asked to use the Medvis platform for us, I was a little bit apprehensive because I never knew how this Medvis would be, how will be the user interface, and whether the help desk will be always available. But believe me, it was so easy even for the persons who were not technologically very sound, be it the faculty or the students. The interface was very user friendly. However, the technical team of Medwiz always assisted us with any time, any help required as far as the faculty was concerned regarding the technical glitches of the software, or be it the registration of the faculty or at the student level also. The Medwiz team was always approachable, and it was one of the good advantages that we had a uniformity of taking classes through Medwiz. Apart from that, not only taking classes and using the teaching and learning methodology on Medwiz, the assessments were also at very ease. The recording of attendance, the recording of the sessions, be it a theoretical class, practical class, or the clinical posting, it was very convenient for all of us. We at our institute are very blessed to have used Medwiz, and the training has been also very convenient for all of us. We have been able to train new faculty also regarding the use of Medwiz platforms, and the training videos are very user friendly. Thank you.
ये वो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं जिनकी शुरुआत बेंगलुरु की राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज ने एक प्राइवेट फर्म मेडविज के साथ मिलकर की। पहले फैकल्टी को कोरोना से जुड़े मामलों की ट्रेनिंग।
हम भी ऑनलाइन पढ़ाना है। जब हमें संपर्क किया गया तो हमने पूरा सहयोग किया।
Online and plus offline education was covered, and plus the training program of the doctors was covered.